Alright. Welcome to this segment of our tutorial. 2 weeks ago, I did a video on how to stake your Tron on your Tronlink Wallet Pro, and today we are here to review the results. So we actually staked 227 Trons, and it was worth $14.36. But looking at it today, it is worth $20.46. Wow, that's massive. That is about 43% increase just in 2 weeks. So that is how you can actually benefit from cryptocurrency just by holding. And also we'll be seeing the results as far as the staking is concerned. So quickly on our dashboard, let's quickly move on to the votes. Alright, so this is the voting dashboard. My vote, as you can see, I actually voted 227 Trons on stake Tron, and the annual percentage is 6.9%. and what I had remaining on my dashboard was 0.6 Tron. I voted 27, as you can see. Available votes 0. There was nothing left. Unclaimed reward 1.05. So that is what I have been able to have as reward for my voting. That is in terms of quantity Trons. So quickly, I'll need to claim my reward. So I click on claim reward. It's loading. Okay. So I'll be claiming 1.0590 Trons. The fee is 0 Trons. Consume resource. So 240 bandwidth will be consumed. I explained this in the previous video. So let's take confirm. Okay, I'm going to enter my password. This password is just for the sake of this video. It's loading. Alright, as you can see on the dashboard, the unclaimed reward is now showing 0, and it has moved to the available Tron. So currently I have 1.756016 Trons available. That is, with this I can withdraw or decide to vote again, but I don't want to vote again. So on our dashboard, as far as Tron is concerned now, it has increased from 227 to 228.756. So generally we have increased in value, because before the Trons worth $14.36. Now it is now worth $20.55, and also we have increased in quantity from 227 Trons to 228.75 Trons. So that is earning without working as far as crypto is concerned. So then I would like to quickly unfreeze the Trons I freezed, so I will have access to them. So I click on freeze. Okay, I scroll down and I click on freeze, the drop down, and then I click on unfreeze. So currently we are unfreezing the coins that are found under energy. If you check the previous video, you see that will freeze on energy and also on bandwidth. So let's unfreeze energy first before moving on to bandwidth. So this is a receiving account. I'll confirm it and then I unfreeze. So I click on unfreeze, I confirm, and then I put in the password. Okay. Alright, let's check the dashboard. Okay, so let's unfreeze for bandwidth. Let's unfreeze for bandwidth. So it was on energy. I need to change to bandwidth. That is it. I take the freeze. I click on unfreeze. So 27 was freeze for bandwidth. We have claimed the 200 that was freeze on energy already. So I confirm the receiving wallet address. I click on unfreeze. I confirm. Then I put in the passwords. Keep your password safe. This is just for explanatory purpose. So transaction submitted. Okay. So let's move to the dashboard. All right. So I believe we have done that. Yeah, as you can see, balance 228.75 trons. So this is what is available for us to freeze if we want to. So we have done that already, and we now have access to our trons completely. Here you can decide to convert to another coin, or you can decide to send to someone. So basically, that is how to earn passive income as far as crypto is concerned by staking. And on the Tronlink Wallet Pro, you have to freeze, and then you get voting points, and you can claim it after 72 hours. And also, just by holding the coins, it gets to increase in value. So thank you very much for watching this video. Endeavor to subscribe to get more updates, like, and drop your comments on the comment section so we improve on further videos. Thank you very much.